Okay, welcome back to the Money Pit. New day, new challenges. Today is get rid of the cast iron pipe day. So I'm gonna start breaking it up from down below. I put in this bracket I got from the warehouse, plumbing supply house, just to hold the stack up. But I'm gonna take advantage of that piece of wood right there that the other cast is sitting on, and put one of those beams under this to further support it, because this is thousands of pounds of cast, not only here, but it goes up through the second floor, through the attic, through the roof. So we're talking 3 stories of 4-inch cast that I'm going to be removing starting today. Oh boy. Alright, let the games begin. I'm going to set this downstairs where I'm going to cut the beam, the support beam. I gotta find a pencil first. I got one around here somewhere. Stand by. Oh, there it is. Yeah, I spend about an hour a day looking for tools. An hour a day looking for tools, because the place is so unorganized right now. Alright. There's the support. I should hold things up nicely for a little while, I hope. But I'm going to take advantage of having all this extra wood and cutting this down to 119, placing it on top of this 4x6 and putting it underneath that elbow up there, just for further support, so I can start knocking out this piece of cast right here. And I'm going to cut all this pipe out first and put on the cap that I got this morning. I'll put it down there somewhere. And that's it. I might just cut it over here. I'm not really sure yet. We'll see. Alright, let's see where I can set this up. Alright, got a little piece of something to stick under there. I'll hold it up. Use a little piece of wood. Prop the camera up just a little bit. Yeah, I'm thinking that would work. Or not. You know what? To be continued.